What's up YouTube, Jamos here, and today we're going to do an unboxing of Palm SmartPods Pro. If you remember on the channel, I did a unboxing of their SmartPods Plus. This is their Pro edition, and as you see, they're pretty similar to Apple's line. You have the AirPods and then you have the AirPods Pro, so this is their take on it. Inside the box you see the things they say these pods could do, all the features, and then there they are themselves. Now they're already on for some reason, don't know why, but this is the first thing you see. Like the originals, they don't come in the case already, you have to put them in there. And then all that's left in the box is the accessories pouch, which comes with silicone tips for better fit, a micro USB charging cable, and how to set these up, because these do require a little bit extra. All right, let's take them out of this plastic thing by doing this. Okay, let's get that out of here. Okay, so this is a little thing. It's another quick start guide, and then here they are. So the reason why they're blinking red and blue is because how these work, they have to pair to each other first before they can connect to your phone. Now I didn't set these up yet, so they're probably looking for my phone, but how they're supposed to work is you open this case, which by the way looks a lot like the AirPods. If we bring in the AirPods here, this is what they're trying to go for. As you see, they're pretty close. Micro USB charger down there, and of course you have the lightning. Now I will say the lid on these is not magnetic at all. It's held in by probably a clip or something, but you have to snap them open and close them. But yeah, so in order to get this going, you put them in the case. Okay, now that they're in the case, you open it, and as you see, they turn on. They're going to connect to each other and then connect to your phone. Now, when you first set these up, you do have to go to Bluetooth, find them, and then connect them for them to work. And then every time you open the case and put these in your ear, it will take a little longer because they have to connect to each other and then the phone. But they should automatically do it every time after you connect it to your phone the first time. Also, if you can hear, they are not magnetically held in. So let me demonstrate. Yeah, so it's another thing they didn't put in these. I believe the first ones didn't have them either, but for 30 bucks you can't really go wrong. I mean, the design is pretty close. It's of course a little bulkier and a lot lighter and cheaper, but I mean, like I said, it's 30 bucks. But as you see, they have a pretty close resemblance. Also, these work with your respective assistant. So if you press this button right here and hold it, it will activate your assistant, whether you're on Android or iOS. They do work with those, so that's a good thing. It makes it a little easier. The case is 300 milliamp hours, so you can probably get like 4 charges out of these. These are 40 milliamp hours. I believe they last about 4 hours before you have to charge them. And they charge just like how AirPods do. Put them in the case, close it, they'll turn off. Open the case, they'll turn on and connect. I haven't tested audio quality, but if they're like the first ones, it's passable. Like I said, these are 30 bucks, so you can't really go wrong. You're honestly probably getting these just for the convenience factor of connecting. And yeah, here's what comes in the box. You have your charging cable, quick start guide, and then your silicone tips for a better fit. And yeah, that's pretty much everything that comes in this box. That is basically it for the Palm SmartPods Pro. If you have any questions, let me know. This is their up-to-date attempt at mimicking the AirPods, and they do a pretty good job for the price. So like I said, if you could find them, it's worth a buy. It's only 30 bucks. And it's a good deal. But thanks for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.